Today I am going to say in ungrouped data mode. In the previous video we have discussed about the mean. Now let's discuss about the mode. Ungrouped data. The mode, it is an easy topic and less time taking topic than the median and mean. So let's start the video now. Mode. Mode. The value or the number we can take. The number which occurs most frequently. The number which occurs most frequently. The number which occurs most frequently. Frequently means more number of times occurring number. Most frequently in the given observations. Given observations or the data. Or data is called as mode. The number, that is, there will be observations, 7, 10, any observation, number of observations, the number which occurs most frequently. Examples we will take now. Most frequently in given observations is called as mode. The examples we will take. First one is 1, 4, 4, 2. These are the observations. Anything we can take here. 1, 4, 4, 2, 6, 4, 2, 7, 0, 4, 5. So, this is the data or observations given here. So, what is the definition of the mode? The number which occurs most frequently in the given data. Which number is most occurring here? Most occurring frequently. That is more number of times. First, the given data we must arrange in the proper order, either descending or ascending, which is easy to ours to identify. So, I am arranging in the ascending order. That is 0, 1. 1, 0 is one time repeated and 1 is also only one time. So next 2. 2, again one more time 2 is there. 2, so here 0. 0 completed. This is 0 and 0 completed. 1, 2, 2. These are completed. After this 4 is there. 4, 4, 4, 4. 4 fours are there here. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next number will be 5. And next will be 6. And 7. As these observations are only one time. So we can cross out them. After writing the all cross, it will be easy to identify which number is occurring here. So next step is which number here, that is the numbers are 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 are the numbers. Which number is occurring most times? The number 4 is occurring 4 times than any other number in the given data. 4 is occurring 4 times. This is the highest number. So, mode is 4. Whereas 2, only 2 times it is coming. 4 times it is coming. So, 4 is a mode. The number which occurs most frequently. 4 is occurring most frequently. So, mode of the given data is 4. Now let's discuss one more example to get the clarity. In the 10 matches of the cricket, the bowler took out some wickets. In the 10 matches, bowler has taken the wickets. The wicket numbers are in the 10 matches he has given in the question. So the observations will be 10. Observations will be 10. In the first match, he has taken 2 wickets. In the second match, again 2 wickets. Third match, 4 wickets. 3 wickets. 5. 6. 6 wickets he has taken here. 6. So by here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 matches 8 matches has completed and these many wickets as he has taken in the cricket match. 1. In the 10th match he has taken only 1 wicket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 matches has been completed. So we have to write the ascending or descending, which will be easy for us. I am writing. In the previous I have said about the ascending. Now let's discuss about the descending. So here the highest number is 6. 6 is repeated 2 times. So write 2 6s and cross out it. Next 5 is there. 5. Next 4. 4 is also only 1 time. Next 3. 3 is also only 1 time. Next 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 and the last one. So all gets cancelled here. Cut off. This is the mode arranged in the descending order. So what is the mode here? The 6 has been repeated 2 times. We can write here 2 times. 5 is 1 time, 4 is 1 time, 3, 2. 3 is also a 1 time. So we cannot write that as here it is 2. So these are not count 5, 4, 3 and 1 also. There are 4 2s. 4 times. 4 times there are 2. Means in 4 times he has took out 2 wickets. In 4 matches we can say that he has took out 2 wickets. So 2 is greater or 4? There is 4 is greater. So 2 also got cancelled and the 4 times. So the 2 has been repeated more times here according to the observation. So the mode will be 2. Here the confusion is we have to take the number which is repeated how many times. Example, 2 is repeated 4 times. So we have to take 2 because it is repeated 4 times. Most frequently, the number which is frequently repeated, that is 2 we have to take. We have to not take the number of repeated times. The number can be repeated 10 times, 5 times, any time. So we have to not take 10 and 5. We have to not take the 4 here. 4 as it is not repeated. It is not repeated. 2 is repeated here. 2 is repeated as 4 times. So we have to take the number which is repeated how many times. So here the 10 matches bowler mode is 2. In the previous example the mode is 4. In this example the mode is 2.